a perfect day. Mark and Dana leading, Jen is at the wheel. This Disney magic making every moment feel real. We've sailed the icy waters, now we're hitting the ground. The coolest crew in Juneau that's ever been found. Oh, we're the Sigifamily, wild and free, from the decks of the Wonder to the edge of the sea. In the heart of the north, under the summer sun, Juneau, here we come. The fun has just begun. No tour guides needed, no plan in our head. Just Mark, Dana, and Jen in this majestic land.